Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai In today's video I'll do the YouTube battery drain test and the temperature heating test in the Oneplus Nord device using the 4G SIM card. Yes, so just before this video, I think couple of hours ago I did upload using the Wi-Fi connection, but a lot of users they did ask me, can you please test using the 4G connection? How is the temperatures maintaining in the Oneplus Nord 2? So that is what I'm going to exactly check. I'll try to play for about 1 hour the YouTube continuously during this process of demonstration. And during this process, I'll try to keep the brightness not 100%, maybe 90, or I think I'll try to keep it 70% brightness. So this is a 50%, 60 and 70 should be kind of fine. So right now the brightness has been automatically set, as you can see by Google now. I did set automatically. So 70% brightness is selected at this point. Right now it's kind of 84% of the battery, as you can see, friends, 84% exactly. So during this process, I'm trying to use with the 1080 brightness resolution, as you can see, 1080 resolution I'm trying to use, and the earphones are connected, and the volume is up to I think 50%. That should be kind of good. So right now I'm trying to play one of my playlists continuously, and the temperatures right now in the beginning, it's kind of close to 34 degrees, as you can see, 34 degrees in the beginning of testing. As you can see, friends, in the beginning only, it's kind of close to 34, not much higher, as you can see here. There's another small floating application, as you can see. This is a floating application which I'm trying to use just to double check the temperatures, how much it is on the phone. So this will even display exactly what is the temperatures in the device, CPU temperature and the battery temperature. You can clearly see right now in the beginning of the test, it's not that high. So as I said, I'll not try to change any kind of brightness or anything. I'll try to keep same kind of brightness, 70% brightness, and only 4G data connection only I'll try to use in the process of demonstration. As you can see right now, the temperatures are close to 34 degrees I'm getting. 34 degrees at this moment. So I will be back after maybe close to 30 minutes of time or 1 hour of time. So then we'll be able to discuss what is happening with this phone, whether the temperature is increasing or not. So that is the reason I thought of showing you this. This is the real-time temperature in this phone, as you can see. Again, I'll be back after a couple of minutes, maybe after 1 hour. So till then, let's see friends how much it will be the temperatures. And let me try to use a different kind of temperature reading. This is showing about I think close to 34.8 at this moment, as you can see. 35 degrees is showing in the beginning. Let's see how much the temperatures can actually increase by playing the YouTube videos continuously. So right now, as you can see friends, after 1 hour of exactly continuously playing the YouTube non-stop, yes, only using the 4G data during this time of demonstration, let's check the battery percentage, how much it is. So right now the battery percentage dropped to I think close to 74% or 75%, as you can see exactly. So exact 75%. So before the test it was close to 84%. Right now it's 75%. So in this 1 hour of time, there's a battery drain of 9%. Yes. So only 9% of battery got drained. So with the 70% brightness, and the temperature also did not increase much in this phone at this point. I think I did see only 34 degrees, and my room temperature is also pretty normal. There is no AC, there is no cooler, nothing at all. So this is a pretty normal temperature only. My room temperature, nothing much changed. So overall, I did not see much kind of temperature increasing when I'm trying to watch, and during this time I did watch continuously 1080 only during the demonstration process. Only 1080 videos I did play continuously, the playlist only. So in case if you are facing any kind of issues, let me know in the comment section below friends. And even the floating temperature also showing about close to same kind of readings, 33 degrees only during this process of demonstration. There's nothing much changed in temperature. Maybe only 1 to 2 degrees got increased after 1 hour of testing with the 4G data, and 9% got decreased in the Oneplus Nord 2. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.